It's time for our first stop in Naples, Italy. Come on with us. Let's go.
Alright, so hey, good morning guys. This is our second day. This is kind of like breakfast slash lunch. We kind of stayed up later last night, exploring the ship, went to a couple of the music clubs, and had a few cocktails. So yeah, but today's looking good. We're going out on an excursion. You say we came down for breakfast, but we got up leisurely and just kind of did what we would normally do and get ourselves together and catch up on stuff. So I'm actually eating, hope you guys can see that, I'm eating grilled perch with a salad. I don't know what Dawn had.
I had grilled zucchini, some fruit, and a very small BLT. So I have a watermelon smoothie and mango water. Keeping it light this afternoon.
Yeah, so we have a nice window seat. So we're in the port of Naples. And you can see here the city port. So we'll be going out later on this afternoon, taking a tour of Naples, one of the excursions. All right, so we'll see you guys in a little bit. We'll show you a little bit of Naples too as we go along. But we are having, so far, we've only been on the ship one day, not even, and we're having a grand time. So this is fantastic, right?
Absolutely. Couldn't be better.
All right, I'm gonna eat now.
Yes.
So is speed limit.
All right.
Good one.
So we're heading toward Piazza Bovio. Right in front of us, there is an equestrian statue in the center there, representing Victor Emmanuel II, first king of United Italy.
Oh, I see it.
Right there in front of us. Wow. There you go. Done. Amen. So now, see, you don't have to get an idea of down to these constructions along the road there and so on. Just a little second, you'll have on your left side, left side of the road. See that, the B there. And this is the Chamber of Commerce right here. See the four ships in the front of four ships in. Did a lot of good things, including he started the excavation of Pompeii in 1748. So that's the Mexico with the statues all around there. Then you have at the far end.
had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say, blew everybody away. Wear whatever I want, dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why, where you going, nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more.
All right, so this is deck 15. This is the sports deck.
Yeah, basketballs.
Ah, cool. So up here is where they do the bumper cars.
Ice skating.
See the bumper cars. Basketball court. Okay. So today it is raining on our heads a little bit. But Miss Dawn says it's nice sitting out here on the deck in the rain, just kind of relaxing. So this is Playmakers. Which does not appear to be open as of yet. But they have a multitude of televisions. Where? Oh yeah. There's my Metsies.
There's something about the way that Roger communicates to us through tennis. He makes the elegance, the classic play, the sportsmanship,
I have no idea.
That's sand or something.
Miss Dawn has asked what this is, and I have no idea. Yeah, this would be a cool place for me to come and watch the games. Definitely.
Well, I guess we're going to end this video here because after this picture, we got so comfortable, we accidentally fell asleep.
Yeah, after going touring the ship through Playmakers and going through the sports bar, we found a nice little cozy spot that was very quiet with some nice comfortable pillow chairs. And we sat down and we were looking out at the ocean. I guess we got so comfortable. Next thing you know, both of us had fell asleep. But it was well deserved.
It was. We're going to get into it a little bit about your excursions. So make sure when you do your excursions, you do them through your cruise line. That way, if there's any problems getting back, the cruise ship will wait for you. If it is a private excursion, they will not wait. You will get left behind.
Yeah, and as you saw earlier in this video, we actually got stuck in traffic. There was a car accident, and we were late getting back to the ship. But because it was a Royal Caribbean excursion, they had to wait for us. And I think there were a couple of other excursions behind us that actually were late as well. So just a little tip from the Ollies, make sure you use the ship's excursions, unless you're going to have to find your own way because the ship will leave you.
Yeah, don't be that guy.
Yeah.
As always, thanks for watching. Stay with us. Our next episode will be Santorini.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun.
Now it's time for us to get to getting.
Get to getting.
See y'all.
See you, everybody.
Oh, the good times just begun.
Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, please give us that thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.
And please ring that bell so you know when new content drops.